In this tutorial, Chapter 11, we're going to first conduct static analysis, and then we're going to conduct buckling study, then compare the two results. Let's first open the part with the I-beam. We can see that the I-beam have been given the material property alloy steel. So let's start with a new study, static. Hit OK. First, we would like to delete those catalysts, and then we're going to make this one to be a solid. Treat it solid. Save it. The old version will be converted to the current version. That's fine. Now we're going to fix this end and then put a load force on the other end. Give 5,000 Newton. Okay. Let's save the file, and then I'm going to make the mesh. Create a mesh. Just use the fine. Okay. All right. Then we're going to run this simulation. This gives us the deformation, this stress, this displacement. What we can do here, we can use edit and set. So we're going to see the undeformed, and use a single shape, single color, and take this one to be 0.5. Okay, now you can see it's just deformed. Okay, now save the file. Okay, mesh view. So we're going to create a new study, which is buckling. Hit OK. So we're going to make the number buckling mode 5. Use automatic and use automatic solver selection, and then and hit OK. Then I'm going to delete this one and make this one to be solid. Save my file, and then fix this end. Hit OK, and then apply the load on this end and give 5,000 newtons. Hit OK. Give isometric view. Let's mesh. Hit OK. Okay, now save the file again, and I'm going to run this study. Okay, now you can see there are 5 results being given. Let's look at the least amplitude or least buckling factor of safety. Okay, so this is the smallest number we get. That means this is the first mode. First positive buckling load factor is 0.71, 0.71794. Okay, so let's look at this result. Show it. Okay, so we're going to see the result with undeformed, and set this one to be 0.5. And we can also we can use a user-defined scale. Okay. All right. Okay. User-defined scale. So. Okay. All right. So you can see this becomes unstable, and even if we apply the load, along this center line, it's still bent in Z direction. Alright, okay, so let's look at the result here. Okay, so it's purely deformed in XY plane, right? XY plane. Alright, so what we can do here, let's use isometric view here and use isometric view here. What we can do here is we can compare the results. Okay, so use make sure you choose all studies in this configuration, right? So, and we're going to compare the displacement in the static study and also the amplitude model 3. Okay, so hit let's see, use chart position from this plot. Okay, we're not you can use this option, but for now we just leave it here. Okay, right, you can see if we look at from the right view, you can see the difference. Okay, that's the two study. One is static without buckling, and the other one is the result with buckling, which becomes unstable. Let's save our file. We can also save this one. Okay, and then exit, save the file. That's the end of chapter 11.